Let's take a closer look at MABI injection packers. Today I'm going to show you the two-part high-pressure injection packer made up of the anchoring sleeve and its injector with zerk fitting. This injector measures about 2.4 inches and requires a half-inch drill hole. It's ideal for high-pressure injections for concrete crack repair and leak sealing jobs up to 2,000 psi. Like our other two-part injection packer, this one allows you to complete the injection process in 2 steps. A 2-step process means you can clearly see when your product has fully penetrated the crack. But more importantly, the anchoring sleeve helps create a stronger hold on the support structure. When you insert the injector into the sleeve expands. As you can see, both parts are made from a high-strength polymer, which can be beneficial for high-pressure injections. Using plastic allows you to use our high-pressure injector with a variety of chemicals without having to worry about corrosion or deterioration. Plus, the plastic design makes the installation process quick and painless, only requiring a hammer and mounting tool. First, insert the anchoring sleeves into the drill holes with a hammer. Next, insert the injectors one by one with the mounting tool and hammer, starting from the bottom moving upwards. Like the other MABI injection packers, this one also contains the patented anti-return valve situated in the body of the injector. The valve placement allows you to immediately cut the packer to remove it following injection. If you have questions about this or any of our other injection packers, contact us at info@mabi-usa.com. See you soon!